Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Here is your teacher Batul Saeed. Hope you all are doing well. As you all know, a topic is rational number, and today I'm going to explain the subtopic, which is fraction and words and vice versa, and proper, improper and mixed number. When I say fractions and words, that means how you are going to write fraction in words and how you are going to say it in words. All right. So students, in next slide, I'm going to show you a video in which it is explained that how you are going to say fractions in words. So here is the next slide. You all have to watch the video very carefully.
You everything you need to know about fractions. Okay, let's start over here. We have half, 1/3, 1/4, or 1/4, 1/5. You everything you need to know about fractions. Okay, let's start over here. We have half, 1/3, 1/4, or 1/4, 1/5, and then it just keeps going. 1/6.
Students, when it comes to 1/4 or 1/4, so you can see in the video that the spelling of fourth is F-O-R-T-H. Remember, it's F-O-R-T-H. It's not F-O-U-R-T-H. This thing you need to be remember. All right. So here the video continues.
1/7, 1/8, 1/17, 1/100th, 1/1,000,000th, 1/1,000,000,000th, and so on. Okay, now we can also use the word instead of one. So I could say a half, or a third, a quarter, a fifth, a 17th, and so on. Okay, it's your choice. You can say one or a. Now after one, it goes to two. So 2/3, 2/5, then it goes to 3, 3/4, 7/8. Okay, now the important thing to note is that the first number is easy. It's just the number, 7, 1, 3, 5. It's the second number that changes, right? Third, fifths, quarters, eighths. Okay, so you need to learn how it changed. So this isn't 4, right? Quarters means 4, but we don't say 3/4. Well, you can say 3/4, but more common is to say 3/4. Okay, 2/5. It's not 2/5s, it's 2/5. 2/3. Okay, so let's imagine we're making a recipe. It will probably look something like this. It'll say, add half a teaspoon salt, or stir in a 1/4 cup almonds. Okay, so if you're following a recipe, it's really important to know what these fractions are, and especially if you're cooking with someone else, then you need to know how to say them. Like if you're cooking with a native English speaker and they ask you, how much salt do I need to add? Then you can say, add half a teaspoon salt. Okay, so let's do a little bit of math. The top number is called the numerator, and the bottom number is called the denominator. Now, when the numerator is bigger than the denominator, it's called an improper fraction, and it can be reduced to 1 3/5, right? And that's called a mixed fraction.
Alrighty, students, it is explained that what improper fraction and mixed fractions are. So when the numerator is greater than its denominator, it's improper fraction, and when a fraction is written with a whole number, then it's a mixed fraction. All right, one thing which you need to know is that you can always change improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now the question is how you are going to change it. When it's a mixed fraction, the way to change it in improper fraction is you have to multiply the denominator by the whole number, and then whatever answer will come, you have to add it in numerator. Like when I multiply 5 by 1, the answer is 5, and when I add 5 in 3, it becomes 8. like you have, like you can see over here, that the fraction becomes 8 upon 5. All right. And when you divide this 5 by 8, you will got the answer where you have to put this one as a whole number and 3 upon 5 will be the fraction. All right, students, now in next slide, I'm going to explain the proper fraction, which is fraction where the numerator, the top number obviously, is less than the denominator, which is the bottom number. Here are the examples. 1 upon 4, or you can say 1/4, and 5 upon 6, where you can say it 5/6, are proper fractions. Hopefully, students, you all understand how you are going to say fraction in words, or how you are going to write fraction in words, and proper, improper, and mixed number. And hopefully you can all do your assignment, which will be assigned just after this video. So do well. Allah Hafiz.